What should I expect during the initial phase of TRT? What changes might I notice in the first few months?
I'm going to go on the assumption that it's being done perfectly correct because I don't know what they're doing and what they're not doing, so I can't answer to your specific situation. But I know for our patients, usually by week 3 or 4, most report an improved sense of well-being, an improved outlook on life and future, and libido and mood and desire to be productive and get out of bed and conquer their day. So it's more of a mindset cognition type of an improvement is the first thing we've noticed. Usually by 3 to 6 month period, we'll notice some body composition changes, increases in strength, lean body mass, some fat loss. And then usually you'll notice some cardiovascular improvements that are measurable, whether it be cholesterol, blood pressure, arterial function, etc., within the first year. And some studies that I've read have said that even up until the 36-month mark, there's still improvements to bone mineral density. So it's still an upward linear curve when it comes to making your body stronger and improving your bones for 3 years after initiating treatment, which is beautiful because it just means that, you're not done seeing all the results. Now, bone mineral density is not immediately tangible. We can't close my eyes and say, well, I'm just imagining my bones are stronger. But hey, when you take a spill, I've taken some hits accidentally. I've fallen on my hip. I kind of twisted my leg once by accident. Things that normally I should have said, damn, I think that would have broke had I not been on testosterone for a decade. At my age, I think I would have broke that leg. I've dropped things on my foot. You got a lot of small bones in that foot. I've dropped things on my foot that are heavy, and I said, "Oh, I think I just broke my foot." And it's bruised for a day, and I'm fine, and I'm walking on it, and nothing broke. It's bones are strong. Bones are strong. Vitamin D, calcium, good protein, good sleep, good recovery, and some testosterone, and your bones are baseball bats, man. So yeah, just the longer you stay on, you should be on for life, but know that for the first 3 years, you're still making improvements.